Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my love. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I wish you all the very best and all the success in life. And I promise you to keep you this happy forever. I so wanted this birthday to be a grand one for you since it's the first one for you in Kataria house. But damn this corona, but I've still managed to get everyone together virtually. So I want you to have a look at these videos. These beautiful people all love you so much, and I'm really thankful to them for sending these across. So here we go.
Happy birthday, Khanduja Urf Kataya. So, wish you loads and loads of love and happiness, and not just for this year, forever, forever, forever. Love you. And this birthday is special, unique, now that you are a married woman and excelling at it. वैसे you always excel, and I'm so proud of you, whatever you are doing. Just आई होप कि तुझे सब कुछ मिले एंड तू सब कुछ करे जो तू चाहती है. बड़ा सा हग विच यू डोंट लाइक ऑफ कोर्स. बाय, सी यू सून.
तेरी हर एक बुराई पे डांटे वो दोस्त, मुश्किल हो तू तो साया बने तेरा वो दोस्त, नाचे भी वो तेरी खुशी में. अरे यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है. Well, Shweta, a very, very, very happy birthday, and I wish you all the happiness, success, and all that you wish for in your life, and all the best ahead. May you have the best birthday, although the situations aren't as good as possible, but I hope you'll have fun. Take care. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Shweta baby. Hope you're enjoying your day. Very happy birthday to you, and I miss you a lot. I miss those times, our school and college times, scooty rides and everything. पता नहीं कब इतने बड़े हो गए. I swear कि now you're married also, but it's okay. I'm happy for you. Hope you enjoy your day. Mwah.
Happy birthday, a very, very, very happy birthday. And so technically this surprise is much smaller than what you gave to us this year, your wedding. And it was a very pleasant one indeed. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the happiness and good luck in the world. And I'm not just saying this because it's your birthday. I'm saying this because you truly, truly deserve it. You deserve every bit of it. I wish I could meet you, but Corona. But I promise you we'll meet soon and we'll make up for all the lost times. बहुत बहुत सारी बातें करनी है तेरे से. So I just pray to God that I'm able to meet you soon. Till then, stay happy and stay the same beautiful human being that you are, and I really, really miss you. Happy birthday once again and congratulations for ISB.
हैप्पी बर्थडे श्वेता. ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क दिया राहुल ने हम लोगों को वीडियो बनाने का, बट आई वांट टू डू दिस. यू आर वेरी वेरी स्पेशल टू मी एंड यू ऑलवेज बी. बट ऑनेस्टली वी कॉन्टिन्यूस बेसिस पे इतने सारे इवेंट्स चल रहे थे ऐसे रिलेटेड, आई एम रियली शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स राइट नाउ. थैंक यू फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग बाय माई साइड. हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते रहना, सबको हंसाते रहना, एंड होप राहुल तुझे हमेशा प्रिंसेस की तरह रखे जैसे अभी भी रखा है. लव यू. Stay blessed. Bye bye.
Hi Khanduja, A very happy birthday to you. Wow, you've completed 1/4 of a century. Yeah, congratulations. Also, congratulations on getting through ISB. It's a huge milestone, to be honest, and super proud and super excited. It's a great news that I've heard recently. And now that your session is going to start in a day or so, wishing you all the very best. I know you're going to shine, and you're going to nail it there at ISB. You're also going to be super busy for the next 1 year, I suppose. But I think let's plan a party to, celebrate all the milestones that you've been achieving time and again. And I miss all the fun that we've had in college or in Madhya Pradesh or even Bangladesh for that matter. And miss all the unplanned visits to GK1 that we used to have in college. But wishing you a very happy birthday once again. Lots of love. Take care.
Hello, a very, very, very happy birthday. I hope you're having a lot of fun. I've known you for 7 years now, but I don't think I ever got a chance or I've ever been very vocal about how incredibly proud you have made everybody around you. And I just love the unapologetic and the fierce woman that you have become. So stay the same, irrespective of what comes on your way. And yeah, now that you're going to ISB, kill it, attend classes, don't miss a lot of classes, and have fun. Bye.
A very happy birthday, Sweta. I know it's your 25th birthday, and 25th birthdays are supposed to be special. But also, since it's your first birthday as Mrs. Shweta Khanduja Kataria, I think it makes it extra special. And I hope you have lots and lots of fun on your special day. And as far as the party is concerned, don't worry, we will put this party on the list of pending parties, which is growing longer by the day. And we'll knock off all the parties once this lockdown and quarantine ends. And I just hope that you have a great time and eat lots of cake and get amazing gifts. And Rahul, this one's for you. That Shweta is a black belt when it comes to gifting. So I hope that you knock it out of the park, and I'm sure that you will. So all the love and best wishes for you. Have a great time, enjoy, have fun. Happy birthday once again.
A very happy birthday, Shweta. I hope this birthday is a special one for you. ये लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में एक बहुत यूनिक होने वाला है इस बार तुम्हारे लिए. बट एनीवेज हैव फन, टेक केयर. ज़्यादा चिलिंग हो नहीं पा रही तो पार्टी लॉकडाउन के बाद करते हैं. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
Hey Shweta, it's your birthday. It's a very special day. This is your first one with the entire group and the family. And this also is the year when you start your MBA, doing a lot of assignments. May this year be an awesome one for you as you start a journey with Rahul, as well as finish your assignments in time for submission. Happy birthday. Stay blessed.
Hi Shweta.
हेलो श्वेता, हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू. वैसे लगता नहीं तेरी शादी हो गई है ना?
नहीं, wishing you a very happy birthday, but I can't thank you enough for leaving this house. Thank you so much. We are really happy. See, cheers.
कुत्ता है always.
Happy birthday.
जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50. Happy birthday!
Happy 25th birthday, my little Pataka. You have successfully completed a quarter of the century, making us proud at each and everything that you do. And I know you'll keep doing that in future as well. May this year brings in loads and loads of happiness and success in whatever you deserve and desire in life. Always stay chirpy and the young, delightful girl that you are. And I love you and I miss you on this day. And I hope to see you soon and we'll have a grand party. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. May God bless you and may you get everything in life. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
And enjoy the day.
Happy birthday.
Shweta Chachi.
Happy birthday.
Love you.
Love you.
Hi Shweta, wishing you a very happy birthday. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness, lots and lots of success and good health. You are one fantastic person and we all love you so much.
Absolutely, dear sis. Always rise and shine and achieve limitless success. Enjoy, Madi. Chandigarh दूर नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा आने वाले हम लोग वहाँ पे. Party is always there. So have a great day. Have a fantastic year ahead. Success guaranteed.
Happy birthday, Bua. You come now, please. I love you.
Shweta Abhi. Wish you very very happy birthday, Shweta.
Wish you very very happy birthday,
God bless
Shweta.
you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday, Shweta. I feel very lucky to have you as a friend and sister in my life. And I so wish that I could be there with you on this special day in India to celebrate and have fun with you. So have fun, take care, enjoy your day to the fullest. May God bless you with lots of success and happiness in life. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Hi Shweta Mami, happy birthday.
Hi Shweta, happy birthday. We love you and we miss you. Hope you have a good day. Enjoy your day. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shweta. Best wishes. Best wishes, beta. Best wishes.
Happy birthday, Shweta Jaji. We love you. God bless you. We need party after this quarantine. You deserve the best of everything. We miss you. Love you.
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Shweta beta. God bless
Happy
you.
birthday, Bhabhi.
Happy birthday, Shweta. Hey Shweta, how are you? Wishing you a very 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 happy birthday. God bless you. I hope you enjoy your day. अभी लॉकडाउन है तो हम लोग अभी आ नहीं सकते हैं, मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं. But our wishes and blessings are always with you. We have a lot of fun. And do remember, अभी पार्टी बाकी है तो हम लोग बहुत मस्ती करेंगे बाद में.
Hello, Shweta. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the happiness in your life.
Hello Shweta, happy birthday beta. God bless you. Enjoy your special day. Have fun.
चलो आएंगे हम लोग मिलने. Till then, have fun. हमारी तरफ से केक रख लियो, हम पक्का आगे खाऊंगा. और वही सारे गाने वैसे ही गाऊंगा जब डोली पे गए ना, वैसी सारी चीजें करेंगे. वही मस्ती एंड वही फन. अब तो बिल्कुल ठीक है, फिट एंड फाइन. चलो ऑल राइट, टेक केयर, हैव फन, एंजॉय योर डे. सी यू, बाय.
Hello, happy birthday, Bhabhi. All my best wishes to you. मुझे पता है वहाँ मेरी कमी महसूस हो रही होगी सबको, पर क्या कर सकते हैं. It is what it is. कोई ना, राहुल है वहाँ पे, सब हैं आपका बर्थडे स्पेशल करने के लिए. आई विश सबसे अच्छा बर्थडे हो ये आपका. 25th है. All my best wishes to you again. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.